Hey, check out my new display for my OMG dolls.
I just love these little compartments. They're perfect for the dolls. They just fit wonderfully. And some of them have to lay down, of course, because some of them are horizontal spaces, but the other ones are a little bit more vertical, and I just love it. It's such a cool little display case. Let's change it up. So here we have two dolls with blue hair. Love that hairdo. I love the blue eyeshadow on this one. My daughter went crazy. She's like, her eyes are so blue. And of course we love the little purse. It's like a translucent glittery purse. So pretty. Maybe she wants to sit down for a while. Let's take her out. Put her down over here. She's enjoying a nice leisurely sit there. Downtown, why don't you hang out over here? You can sit down here. And let's take B-Girl. B-Girl, do you want to hang out in here? Yes, I do. Let's lift her arm up. Right up there against the wall. She's doing a power move. That is super cool. And what else can we do? Let's take Sweets. Hey everybody, I'm Sweets. I just opened a bakery. Have you guys come and checked out my bakery yet? I hope you do. And let's see, where should we put Sweets? She could be up here at the top. Let's see. Waving at everybody. Hi everybody. That's cool. We could take Major Lady. I like the pose that she's in, so right now I just don't want to change her pose because I really like that pose a lot. So, and what about this girl? Hi. I am so cool. Did you check out my fierce outfit? Let's see, we need a stand for her because she is going to stand up right here next to Independent. There you go. She's got bold stance there. She's like, hi, check me out. I've got spikes in my hair. How many people do you know who wear spikes in their hair? That looks super cool too. Candylicious at the bottom, waving at everybody. She's always holding on to her best friend, her little teddy bear rabbit. Here's Downtown BB, hanging out with her super long ponytails. Independent. B-Girl. Hi, I'm doing a power move. Check this out. Spicy Babe is jumping up into the air. She's so happy. And of course, Major Lady, same pose, because I don't want to get her out of that pose. And here we have Sweets at the top. Hey, Sweets. She's showing you maybe a little plank or something. I don't know. She's really cool.